In this video, we will be discussing the BLACK+DECKER 4.1 CU, a foot top loading washing machine with agitator. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washing machine in the description below for the best price. This model is designed for families and anyone who wants a reliable, high-capacity washer that can handle a variety of laundry needs. One of the first things you'll notice is its 4.1 cubic feet capacity, which provides ample space for large laundry loads, making it perfect for daily use or for households with heavy laundry requirements. The top load design with agitator ensures that even tough, heavily soiled clothes come out clean. The agitator works efficiently to move clothes around and provide a thorough wash without consuming too much time. This makes it ideal for washing bulky items like towels, bedding, and heavy garments. Another highlight is the durable stainless steel wash tub, which resists rust and wear over time. It's built to last and provides reliable performance for years, ensuring that your investment in a quality washer pays off. The BLACK+DECKER washing machine also comes with 10 wash cycles, offering flexibility for a wide range of clothing types and laundry needs. From heavy-duty and bulky items to normal loads and delicate clothes, the cycle options make it easy to select the right setting for each load. The LED display is user-friendly, providing clear information on the chosen cycle and remaining time. For busy households, the 24-hour time delay function is extremely convenient. You can schedule your wash in advance, making it easy to have laundry ready exactly when you want it. Of course, there are a few considerations. The machine weighs around 117 pounds, so it requires a stable placement and may need 2 people to move. While the top load design is excellent for accessibility, some users prefer front load washers for certain fabrics. Overall, though, this model combines capacity, versatility, and durability in a compact, stylish package. With its sleek white finish and practical features, the BLACK+DECKER 4.1 CU, a foot top loading washing machine, is an excellent choice for those looking for a dependable and user-friendly washer that handles large loads efficiently without compromising on performance or longevity.